loves, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you are new, welcome, and for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much for hanging out again with me today. You guys, oh my goodness, I've been thinking about this for a couple of hours now, and I guess it's time for me to do it. Today, we are going to be doing a major refrigerator clean. We're not going to do the freezer. We're just going to do the refrigerator because I got some stuff going on in here that only myself, my husband, and God knows about, you know? And I just feel like today, being Sunday, I need to get it together. I need to get my life together. I need to be a little more organized when it comes down to this refrigerator, because it would make me be a more peaceful person in the morning or whenever I choose to come in here and cook a meal. I won't look in here and just become, you know, just overtaken by the mess. I clean my refrigerator regularly. However, it looks like a complete disaster a lot of times. And to top it off, I broke one of the shelves in there. I still gotta order the part for that, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna do some organization. I said all that to say we're gonna do some organization. This is a real life hot mess for me, and you know, I enjoy sharing my hot mess situations with you guys. Hopefully it is motivating you to tackle some of the tasks in your home, like your refrigerator. So thank you so much for hanging out. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, but before I even open up the refrigerator to show you what's going on in there, I'm gonna show you some items that will help me get this space together. Okay, so I got these containers for my refrigerator. I like this one because it actually has 3 different sections in it, and it, you know, came as a double pack. So I was really excited to find this and bring it home with me. And then these 2 have double sections in them. So I think these items will be very beneficial with getting this refrigerator together. So we are definitely gonna do a deep clean, but you see exactly what I'm talking about here, right? I mean, how in the world can I find things, you know, that I'm looking for really, really quickly? I mean, I don't even understand what's happening here. And this right here, me and my husband is gonna have a conversation about this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, these are papaya seeds, and we juice in the morning, and he decided that he wanted to keep these seeds in the refrigerator. He said maybe about 3 days ago that he was gonna dry them out. It looks like the same bowl of seeds that he put in the refrigerator the other day. Now let's see what's happening over here. I don't know, you know? And then we have fruits and berries and stuff that's kind of like in the compartments down here, but it's not really organized. So in the morning when I'm trying to get things to juice, I have to like go through a whole deconstruction process in order to get to the items that I need to juice. So yeah, I'm excited about getting this place in order.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why are you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good, show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind. too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way.
Truth is, I'm scared cause when I see you coming, all I wanna do is tell you that I love you. I know you're better off without me cause your tears stain eyes make it dark out when you're around me. Like a needle lost in the sand, the ink dried in my hand. It's unthinkable. Like a bird that never learned to fly, I shouldn't ask you to try. It's unthinkable, but loving you was easy. See, when it was just you and me. Since you wanna leave this, I'll pick up the pieces. Yeah. You said I'm out of second chances, and I know that I'm not perfect, and this probably sounds really selfish, but I hate that I'm not with you. I just wish that I could tell you that my this time is the truth. I lost the trust, I understand, but do I have to be that man? It's unthinkable, but loving you was easy. See, when it was just you and me. Since you wanna leave it, then I'll pick up the pieces. Yeah. Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? It was easy. Do you think about me? It was you and me. Do you think about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me?
So this is what I have to work with. It's not too bad. I try to wipe down my refrigerator regularly so it won't become a disaster. But yeah, we're gonna get this taken care of so I can get some organization going on in here.
Not sure how to make this work, but you know that I got you. I just need you by my side. Will you be mine? Can't get away from you, even if I wanted to. I'ma be so good to you. You and I will see this through. Baby, I need you more than you need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they're stopping now. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave from my side. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. You kill the lies, we come to life. I see the fire in your eyes. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. When you say my name, oh na 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 yeah, I can feel the rush. Oh na 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 yeah, I know how to make you smile, so I'ma keep you from frowning. I hope that we got enough time, cause you're so fine. Baby, I need you more than you need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they stop.
Loves, I had a great time hanging out with you today. I hope you enjoyed your time with me as well. I am so excited and just happy and pleased about how my refrigerator turned out. I have been thinking about doing this for a while, but I have a petite refrigerator, so I didn't think the little containers were gonna work as well as, you know, what I've seen other people do. But this thing has really changed my life. I really didn't realize how much of a hassle it was in the mornings, you know, to just figure out what type of fruits and vegetables we had in the fridge to juice, because that's something that my husband and I do daily. You know, I would just get up in the morning and just go with the motions and kind of dig here, move this, move that, you know. Didn't really bother me too much. It did bother me though, if I'm being truthful, but it didn't bother me too much because, you know, I had my little meditation music on. I had my little oils burning, you know, had a little Jesus in me and coffee. So I was ready to start the day, but now looking at this refrigerator, I'm just like, what in the world, girl? What were you doing in the morning? It was rough in there. It was rough, but I'm so happy, thankful that I was able to target this area of my life. I still got to go back and do some other things, like maybe get a couple more containers for a couple of more items that we normally keep in the refrigerator. But other than that, this has really changed my life. I hope it was inspiring for you as well. If you have something that you need to do, go ahead and tackle it this week. Your biggest and most important step is making that first step to tackle whatever it is that's driving you crazy. You can do it. You can do it. Hey, you got me backing you up and encouraging you along the way, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm so thankful and grateful that you chose to spend this time with me. And I look forward to hanging out again with you soon. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that like and subscribe button so you can hang out with me. I'm a lot of fun. I like to giggle, and you know, I just enjoy sharing my world with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking